No way, no how. It's how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide. I'm going to show you how to get it. So this works on iOS and Android. So let me just join a game here just so you guys can see that it actually works. So this is super cool, guys. I don't really know about other people, but I always wanted Delta Executor and I could never figure out how to get it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to download. This is like the new method. So as you can see, guys, we got all the settings. So I'm going to show you how to get it. So as you can see, here's all the options. So it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So this is super cool. So I'm going to show you all the features, how to get it onto your device. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go to this site. So let me just show you guys. So the site is called blockszy.com. So once you're on the site, guys, all you have to do is press the button that says Get Delta, and it should download straight onto your device. So you can see the website has 2.4 million downloads, which is crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and press the button that says Get Delta, and it should download it. So before we do this, it is going to ask us for our username. So make sure you guys go ahead and put that in. So let me just go ahead and enter it right here as you can see. So now I'm going to press continue, and it's just going to search the database. So you just press yes. And then after that, it's going to load up. So you can see it says user found. So now we're just going to go ahead and press import. And then I'm just going to go ahead and press yes. The script doesn't matter, like you can do any of them. But yeah, I'll just do continue. And then we just need to wait for this to load, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second for this to load. So yeah, let's just wait. So that's loading up. So as you can see, guys, it's loading. So it says I'm not a robot. So I just got to press that. And it should go through, guys. So let's see. And as you can see, it says it's already installed. Alright. So this is super cool, guys. So be sure to try it out. That's how to get Delta Executor for your device 2026. So this works on iOS and Android. It's super wild. So if you guys want to get Delta Executor for your device, be sure to try us out. It's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends about it. It's super cool. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. This is super cool, you know. So look at all the settings we get. This is so fun, bro. I've been always on the hunt for Delta. So I hope you found this as useful as I did, and were able to take advantage. So yeah, have fun, guys, and try it out for yourself and get the word out. Peace out.